For midterm, our midterm test cover chapter 1 to chapter 5. 1 to 5. Okay? And all these chapter will come up with final as well. Okay, final as well. But this chapter 4 and chapter 5 is practical type of questions. Because it's write formula, do the normalization step. All this is a very practical one. So this one you will able to get marks. Okay, I discover only student cannot answer the theory question most of the time. So I come up more practical on this one. More practical. Okay. So more practical means what? You may remember all the symbol. Then after they apply all these symbol, when the question come out, you know how to write. Okay. So this is chapter 4, relational model. Yeah. So the relational model is talking about the algebra, this symbol. Okay, relational algebra symbol. Okay. Then the second part is talking about how we do the query optimization. Because different way you write a query, they have different calculation for searching. Okay, for example, you query at first you time the table first, then you search. Then the searching row is more. Okay, or else you join first, then do something else, then you shorten down the searching time. So the calculation, make a mathematical calculation, or this query more effective, they use less search, mean more faster. Then you use that one. Then you can compare different type of query, what is the access time. Okay, especially you want to use it for the many users. Okay, this is second part. First part is the relational algebra. Second part is the query processing and optimization. Okay, but this one I not test you like the second part. Just let you know how to do on it as a knowledge. Okay, I focus more on the relational algebra. 3-star for this topic. Okay, so relational algebra and calculus are the theoretical concept used on the relational models. Okay, this is called RDMS, relational. Practical implementation of the relational models. Okay, so you need to know the symbol. Okay, symbol. So we got selections. Selection means select which column. Okay, select. Okay. No, sorry. Selection means condition. Search by condition. Okay. Search by condition. The symbol is this selection. For example, sex equal to left. Okay, this is a select. Okay, and the projection is the column you want to display. For example, student ID, student name. Okay, this is a projections. This one select columns. Okay, this is a selection means based on condition. Condition. Okay. Condition products times 2 tables. Table A times 2 tables. Let's say table A got 2 rows, table B got 3 rows. 2 times 3, 6 rows altogether. 6 combination. If you use Cartesian product times table A times table B. Okay? Then union same. Okay? Union is plus 2 tables together. Okay, plus 2 tables together. Unions. Okay? Then after that we got set difference. Okay, set difference. Normally, I think you learned in the previous SEM the semester before. In A, not in B. Okay. Let's say in this set difference. This is the divide. This is for divide. Set difference. Okay, like for example, like this. This is A, B. Set difference. I only want okay, intersect I don't want, the B I don't want. Okay, so in A, okay, so join. Okay, no, join, you know lah, foreign key parameter join. Intersections, the middle part. Okay, intersection in middle part. Division is what I do here. Division or divide. Means the concept must be very equal distribute. Okay, equal distributed lah. Equal distributed means here got 6 apple, 2 orange. Let's say orange lah, orange. This is orange ah. So when you want to divide, each person can get 2 apple equally. But we only got 2 orange. Here got 3 person, double it. So how? I eat. Okay? So to give others. So orange keep yourself. Just give the apple to others. It's called divide equally. Okay, divide equally. You make sure can be divide, just give all. If not, just remaining. We call it this one as a remaining. Okay, this one is a remaining. Okay, we keep the remaining now. Okay, so this is called divide. And this is all the thing you must know the concepts. Okay, before we go. Okay, so we use this table to do this as an example lah. Dream home. Okay, go branch number, staff number, property number. This is also primary key, the underline one. This is a joint key. So from this table, what you can know? What the information you can get from this table? Anyone can tell me? What information you can get from this table? The last table. Any information you can get from this? Means I only can bring you to visit the venue one time only, no second time. You want to have a viewing for the house, I only can bring you one time only, because I didn't underline the date. If I underline, that means I can bring you to the same house twice. But now one home, one client, one property. It means each client only can view a property one time only. The meaning ahead. So that's why some high key when you select, they have meaning one. Okay? Especially your assignment, I saw a lot of people put the purchase part didn't add in the date. Because you can purchase the same ingredient from the same supplier in different date. Am I right? Cheap ma, so reorder again. So you must have 2 codes per state. So in common this real environment, 2 code and 2 code per state is very common key for primary key. Okay, 1 code 1 day, 1 code 1 day 1 time, very rare, depend on situation. Okay, I give you a reason, the example of 1 code 1 day 1 time. Right? You looking for consultation for the doctor, same patient, same doctor, twice in the day. You cannot put 2 code 1 day because in the day 2 times. So how? 1 code 1 day 1 time. This is a situation depend on business rule you can do. Some people morning consultation, afternoon operation. So in the same day same doctor. Okay, so it's depend your business rule. Okay, so this is a thing that I'll tell you. 1 code 1 day, very rare. Okay, very rare, but it's exists So maybe I give you one example. You see some of this healthcare center. Okay, they ask you to sit the electric seat. Okay, 电椅. Okay, so what happened? They only free one service at the time. You can go in, you choose one of the service you want in the day. 1 day 1 service. In that case, you can put 1 code 1 date, customer ID and the date. Because each time you only can select one. Okay, that's why it depends on the situation. But most common one is 2 code and 2 code per state. It's very common key. You can see from the table. So you take note for your ERD diagrams. Those missing date one add on. Okay, some students ask me, sir, why customer reservation? Why need reservation table? Reservation detail, then go to table. The reason is, if you reserve 2 tables in one time? If you don't have a reservation detail, you cannot record. Alright? So therefore, the reservation detail is a breach. Okay, it's a common pattern. Like for example, customer order detail, order. It's a very common pattern. So customer reservation detail, table. So the pattern is like that. So just remember, a lot of cases like that. You have a breach there. Okay? Because it's many to many. One table can book by many reservations. And one reservation also can book many tables. So many to many. Get it? Can. That's that. 回来了。Okay, hello, sit down. When did they take MC? When did they take MC? 狗吗？sick 啊，很严重啊，爬不到来。可以sit down。啊？哇，现在还有吗？哦，OK， come over here. So now we continue. So this is a table detail lah, table detail stuff. Okay. So property rank, client review. So I show you all the detail. Okay, but that is not important. Important is what you must know. That's how I mentioned. Selection, row, selection. Selection by row. So with condition lah. So the symbol is like 6 lah. Okay, like 6. Okay. Select row mah, based on condition. Sex equal to F, your address equal to like what projection, which column you want. Okay, I mentioned there each column. Conditions, products, times. So you can see 2 row times 3 row, 6 row. Nice. Okay. So that is union plus together. Okay, union plus together. Intersect, both table appear. Okay, set difference in R not in S. Like what I put in A not in Z. Not this side is in R not in S. Set difference. Okay, you must know the basic concept first before we go on. Okay, so after that we have other symbol like this called natural join. Okay, natural join is normally primary key, foreign key match. Okay, natural join. Okay, so natural join is like this. So you can see, this T and U, T and U. So T natural join U, so you must find the batch one. A11, A11, B2 tak ada, so only 2 row. Primary key, foreign key match. Okay, this 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 not matching at all. So A11, B11. Okay, matching. Okay, matching. And this one semi join, join half. Okay, join half means take column from here, column from here. So they want to take A. This one same, so A1. So 2 column. Okay, but seldom we come out with the question like that. Okay, semi join. This is called semi join. Okay, so take half of it. So this one is, you look at the directions. Can you see the directions? This is like fish, right? Can you see like fish, the symbol? So you see the tail at where? The tail at the behind, left. So left. Okay, if opposite, it turn, then in the right hand side. There's a left outer joint, right outer joint. Okay. Yeah, so this is a left outer joint because the tail at the left hand side. Okay. Then after that, this one, remainder. This one remaining. Okay, remainder. So divide. Fairly divide must be fairly divide. So you can see this part. Okay, this is remaining. So you divide by this, then this one can get. Just like what I do. 6 apple is 2 apple. The orange is the remainder. Cannot divide. Must be divide equally. Okay. This is your sample. Okay. I want divide by B12. Which one got B and 1, 2, 1? Only A and B. C don't have. C don't have the C2 there. So C cannot. So answer only A. C is remainder. C1 is remainder. Because unless the another row C2 then okay. A, B, C. And what's so many messages? Okay, so remember, this is an example of division. All these symbol you must put in your mind. All these symbol, projection, like pi symbol, selection, like 6. Okay, this one rename the column PR, natural join, left outer join, right outer join. I think you got my notes. I get that. Semi join, okay, division, union, U, intersect, set difference, or difference are same. Then after that, you got aggregate function. This aggregate function symbol, the computer cannot draw. So I just simply put like this. Actually, the symbol is like J1. Okay? But because the don't know what the E this part. Okay? And it's like that. Aggregate function. You got maximum, minimum, average, sum, count. Then this is N. Okay, N. This is all. Below is O. V is O. Then equal, not equal, more than, less than. This is the same. This one. I tell you, this one a lot of students make a mistake. In the final, they write this. Salah lah. This one is for our SQL. Okay. For algebra. Okay. This I remember. I don't see the exam. Write this. Okay. This one is computer one. This one is algebra symbol. Okay. And then this one, next one, like what you learn in the programming. the SQL statements like both tables intersect. Okay, so intersect, so like this, intersect is a symbol like U. Okay, okay, like U reverse lah. Okay, so like bridge like that. Okay, so this one project city for branch, project city for portfolio rank. We want to have the union, so this intersect, so both appear, so only three. The first three appear, but the bistro only this one only. Okay, can okay, so now we go for the next one. Okay, this is a coding lah, intersect intersect very simple coding. Okay, now we go to lecturer join, left outer join, right outer join, and semi join. Okay, right. So like this is a lecturer join. So like this. Okay, A11, A11, A1Y, A1, X and Y, then B2, nothing, not 2 here, so only 2 ones. Okay, then you give it a sample. Okay, example, natural joins. So I project client number, first name, last name from client. Okay, natural join with project client number, property number, and comment. So you can see here got client numbers. Okay, means they're based on that one, join based on that one. Okay, so you can see here client number CR76. Okay, got. Okay, got one. Okay, CR56 got 2. CR77, 74 don't have. So CR62 got. Okay, so only this one. 76, 256, 356, and 162. 74 is not there, so just join. Okay, natural join, foreign key primary. Yeah, natural join. Then we go for the next one. Okay, now this one depend the tail at where. Here the left, here the right, Okay. So we have, for example, a left outer join. Okay. So left outer join means what? Left on based on left tables. Which one is the left? You know, right? Left table. So this one full detail. A1, B2 must be there. It's not A1, A1, B2 must be there. Then find which one can match. So normally, this outer join, they got empty space. Okay, remember outer join normally have the empty space because the outer join meaning is list out mesh and unmatched data together. One more step because natural join only matching one, but this one match not match with display. Not match one empty lah, behind empty. Like this case, A1X, A1Y, B2 tak ada. B2 don't have. B2 have then join anything. Okay. So example like this. Okay, left outer join. Employee department. So left is our employee. So employee full detail must be there. Harry, Sally, Josh, Harry, Steve must be there. Up here. Then find which one can join. So can join one is this one cannot. Financial don't have. Sales got sales. Okay, so can see this sales got 2 value. And the rest, this W mean empty lah. Empty. I don't know why they put symbol there. It's empty, totally empty. Don't put anything. Okay, it's empty. Okay, this is a left outer join based on left tables. Okay, so this is a sample left outer join. Okay, these 3 columns and these 1 columns. Okay, so based on the property numbers lah. Okay, based on property number for the building. Okay, so you can see here got 3 empty. This one must be full table here. I mean this one property number 3 existing must be here first. Then find which one can match. So this one must be there. See, these 3 columns must be there first. These 3. Then find which one can match. No match one now lah. Okay, remember? So this is a unmatched data. You just put data. Okay. So left outer join. Okay. So right outer join. So now go to right outer join. Right outer join means based on the right table. So department. So your department must be there. You can see. Sales production is there. Sales Harry productions Charles must be there. Then find which one can join. So just like left and right actually based on which table you want to focus on. Left focus on left table. Right focus on right table. Full outer join both tables. Okay, but I didn't see any full outer join symbol here. Okay, we just use left and right. But in the actual we got full outer join. Okay, I mean both sides also got empty space. Okay, so this is a right outer joint. Okay, so like this is sample. Now we go to semi joint. Semi joint joint half. Okay, you can see they only take half of the column only. So A1, actually this A1 is they take from here. A and this one. They take out this. So semi. Maybe they didn't show all the data. They only show part of data. Then it's called semi joint. Okay, in this case, so here is a sample of semi joint. Okay, staff semi joint. Staff number, the branch number equal to branch number. Density equal to gas flow. This is a condition. Okay, semi joint. So they see the only big few column for these two tables. Okay, branch and staff. In the end, they come out with this answer. Only few column. So staff they only select this 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 salary branch. Okay, they only display all the data from the staff. You see. Okay, from the staff, and where the staff is actually in this gas flow. Okay, so only 3 lah. Okay, only 3 percent. Okay, so that's why you can see the branch number. Oh, very simple one. You must know which branch on the gas flow. So you see, B003. So in that meanings, all B0031 is there. So this semi joint. This one for the second table. This one for first table. Staff number, first name, last name, position, set, DOB, salary is for the staff. And this one for the next table, whereby matching B003. Because B03 is in the gas flow. Okay? So this is regarding the semi joint. Okay? So this is how the coding. Okay, 2 ways to write. One you can write exist, and one is not in. I think you already learned the coding already, so I don't need to emphasize that. Not in or exist also can use. Okay? Here exist, then next one is in. It's one pair. Not exist is not in. Exist. The difference is this one only this row. You use exist, you need this. But use in no need. You just select ID from this stuff, where in select ID from this table. So we don't need to have a joint condition. So the difference between the exist and in, exist need specify the joint condition, but in no need because you only pick the column only. Here means select branch number from staff. Okay, where this branch number in select branch number from branch name. Okay, this one I don't want to repeat because I teach you a long time. If you forgot, just recall back. Just have the syntax. Okay. Then after that, divide. Fairly divide, just I mentioned. Okay. So R divided by S. Which one got 1 and 2 together? Is only A and B. C don't have, so A, B lah. Okay. So this is a sample. I divide completed with the DBT project. Okay. So you can see that which one got task 1, task 2 together. Great, 1, 2. Sarah 1, 2. So only 2%. Okay. This Eugene and this Eugene cannot put because database 1 only, they're missing database 2. So this is a remaining. Okay. Those only with task 1, 2 together one is only Fred and Sarah. Both. Okay. So that's why only 2 ones. Okay. Eugene cannot unless one more row Eugene database 2, then okay. They got answer. Okay, equally, very equally divide. Okay, so this is a dividing. Okay, so this is an example of the division. So these two divide by PG4 and 36. So see which one got both together. So it's 56. Only one answer. 56 got PG4 and 36 together. Okay, the rest cannot. Like 76 cannot. They're missing 36. So it's only the CR56 got PG4, CR56 PG36 both. That's why only one answer. Okay, this is called D1. Right? Okay, so this is what I mentioned just now. Integrate function really simple. Okay, count the staff number and sum the salary. So we got 2 functions here. Here means count the staff number. That means how many rows lah. And this one sum the salary. Their total salary. Okay, then like this. Okay, this one is the answer. If you want to give the name for these 2 columns, that means you S. Remember you write statement got one S something. That name you want to put, you put at the front. Start with PR because you don't renew the field, so put PR at the front. But in this case they didn't put just display your name. Okay, if you want to put a real name of the column name, then you can put PR, staff count, comma, sum salary, for example. This is a new column name, right? New column name if you want. Okay? So this is a case. Okay? My cow, my sons. Okay? So this is the answer, 250. Cow, staff number, sum salary from staff table. Okay? So, and this with the condition. Okay? Now this here, they didn't put a condition there. Okay? So this one just simple, but this answer is different. Okay? So you need to add a condition. Okay? So you can see here how many property cost more than 350. This is what I told you just now. If you want to rename the columns, new name for the columns, then PR. Rename. Okay? After that, count property, then selection. Renter must be more than 350. Same we have the SQL statement. Number cannot put the open and close inverted comma. Number don't put, but character, date need to put. Okay, same same. So answer is 5. Okay, so this is a main. Count the property number where the renter is more than 350. So this is the main one, and this one is optional. Okay. Also, still very hot. Okay, boy can take out the shirt but girl don't know how Okay, so here, count. Then this one I told you earlier is optional. If question never ask you to put a new column name, then don't put Why? 多写不加分吗? A point. You want to write? Alright, do right. Okay. So if question didn't request you, unless the question request, that means the mark is allocated. Okay. You say this and rename the column name as my count. Then you do lah. Okay. This is okay. So this is grouping operations. Okay, grouping operations. This is an aggregate functions. So now, this symbol is an aggregate function, right? As I mentioned already, this symbol is an aggregate function. Okay. Then how I know there's a grouping? Grouping something in here. Maybe for example, branch ID. If I put something in here at front of this symbol, that is we call it group by. In our coding, is at the group by. Group by, not group by, group by. Okay, so you here this column is in the group by one. Okay, so this is about this question after the mention. Okay, anything you want to group by together, so it's a grouping GA. Okay, GA. Okay, so the grouping one is this group by. So remember grouping is group by. So everything in front. For example, you want to count the total sum salary for every branch. The total salary for the staff for every branch. So we branch ID put at the front. Get it? Yeah? Okay, like this. See, branch number here. So it means I count the staff and sum the salary for each branch. So that's why I put something in the front means it's a grouping, group by. Okay? So this one is optional, as I mentioned. This column name is optional. Okay, you put not wrong, you put also doesn't matter. Okay, you didn't put also no harmful because no mark given. Okay, unless the question asks you to put. Okay, so this is a main one is here. This one is the main one.
What is right wrong?
Okay, this one is the main one. Now we go to 49. Okay, this is group by as I mentioned. Group by. Okay, so group by branch numbers.跳呗，我这可爱的东西，这些的鸡哦，鸡根哦，没有，哎，鸡根，切，是拿丢老师的是吧？哎，旁边哦，丢了不小心丢啊，哎，continue， then go to the next， okay group by so everything put in front of the symbol is group by. Okay, goodbye. Okay, so the part 2, I will continue next class. But now I want you to do exercise first. The part 2 I will next class. This table is this. Tables, 4 tables. Okay. So then here don't have a joint table query. Okay, maybe I give you one example of joint query. Here they don't have joint query. Okay, I see how making a joint query. Tables are. Yeah, I go to the table. I'll tell you one example. Here don't have an example. Okay, I will try this. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to do the exercise first before we go to the second part. Okay, this is a table. Then I want you to do. That means what? Every columns. So we have 2 choices. If every column, you can put just the table name itself. Follower. That's it. Because every column, or else you can project one by one. So have 2 version answer. Have 2 version answer. Either you put a whole word follower, or you put project one by one. Also okay, acceptable. Okay, 自己改自己的，有错自己画叉。Alright, so you know which part you wrong. Okay, at least you know. Yeah. So list all book title published in year 2019. All books. So title like this. So ISBN title. Okay. Then the condition, which one is the year one? In the year there. Okay, projection. Selection. Year equal to 2019. Okay. This. Or only one table lah. Okay. All book title pi symbol, title. Then after that bracket, projections, selections. Year equal to 2019, bracket, book. That's it. Okay, very simple. This also quite simple. Okay. Project title. Okay, year equal to 0. Remember, 2019, you cannot put the dot at the top. Date and char, what char all put, but number don't put. And don't put $sign, RM, comma, all this, no need to put, please. Okay, like your normal Excel segments. Okay, next. List all copy of book title that are available for borrowing. How you know there's available? So you must have go to the book copy. Then you just know whether available or not available. So you need how many table? Title. So book you need, book copy you need. For this, okay, 2 tables. This one need join. This one need join like this. Need join. Okay. I want to check answer first before I write first. Write answer first. Okay. Join table. Need 2 tables. Join lah, nanti sampel lah. Okay, you available equal to yes lah. Equal to yes. Yes. Yes or no lah. N, Y and N lah. So put yes. Available equal to yes. Draw lah mana ni? Yo got do lah. Two of you. Here talking got do Okay, 你戴帽子的不简单啊。 Okay, so I show you answer. Macam ini. Available equal to yes. Okay, foreign key primary is ISBN the book ID Okay. Okay, how many percent correct? 你说对了。final exam 3分了。你又要多少分哦 ？Okay, I tell you you don't see like that question like that Sometimes go to 15. If you can do these are 15 marks in the pocket you don't want do practice more Okay. So now go to next. List all copy of the book log of the rings that are available for borrowing. How many table you need? Two Okay, two table also available so in the book copy book and you need to put the conditions. Available yes and the title equal to that one log of the ring. So you got two joint condition. So your condition must be joint and this symbol and okay. So in two different tables. So this one is the title in the book, this one is the available. So it's two different tables, got two joint conditions. The one is this, the one is this condition. Okay, but in the separate table, not in the same table. Okay. Yes is in the book copy, and the title is in the book. June. Yeah, can see More better? Hey, your copy answer you didn't do
Correction.
Behind getting more difficult getting more difficult List the name of all borrower. Borrower got first name, last name. Alright, borrower got first name, last name. We currently have the book title or ring on loan. How How I know the book is on loan? How I know the book is on loan? Available equal to no law. Okay? And then maybe this is a book loan table. You need to have a book loan table. Okay? Book loan table. This one available to the no, and then you must have the date out. Okay? Copy number and date out. Yeah, so you write first the answer. Question number 6. Okay, write first. Then I will give you the answer. Don't worry. Okay? At least must try. Okay, so I'll show you the answer. See how many percent correct. This one can be 6 marks. Okay, 5 to 6 marks. You need 3 tables. Okay, borrower, book copy, and book. book room 啊，4 table, 4 table. Borrower, book loan, book copy and book. Okay, so borrower name or borrower table, and join. Then for the book loan, and book loan join this book copy. Okay, available equal to no. No. Some error. Oh, 这个关门没有。This one don't have one. Okay, so bracket doesn't matter lah. If you put extra bracket, close lah. Yeah. Okay, question 7. List the name of all borrower with overdue books. So, which column you need to check? Yeah, the debt due. More than today's date. Okay. Okay, debt due. Oh, I need to change.
one drugstore 100 好像 ATB 还是多少？就是要给的 account。100 G 还是1TB 我忘记了，剩几张？而且 YouTube unlimited。
Okay, so this is answer. Okay, today date 17 July. Today 27, sorry. 27. Yeah, so go to question 8. Produce a report of book title that have been borrowed by Peter Broomfield. Wow, the name so special. Yeah, borrower name Peter Broomfield. Okay, so this is answer. Okay, borrower name Peter Broomfield. Produce report between two borrowers who currently have book overdue. Okay, so this is answer. Okay, go check.